Mommy? Yes, Shem. I got an A in my exam. WTF? What do you think WTF means? Well, that's fantastic. Shem, ma, what is the difference between minimum and maximum? Minimum means small mother, while maximum means big mother. Minimum and maximum. Mommy? Yes? Please, can I get $50? Does it look like I am made of money? I thought that was the meaning of mom.
What?
Made of money. Mommy? Yes? Where is my laptop? It's on the table now. There is nothing on the table. What if I look at the table and I see it? Mommy, there is nothing there.
What?
Shem, what is this?
Jesus is Lord.
How does she? Shem, ma, who do you like more? Me or your dad? I like the both of you. Okay, if I go to America and your daddy go to Paris, where will you go to? I'll go to Paris. That means you like your daddy more? No, I just like Paris. What if I go to Paris and your daddy go to America? Where will you go to? I'll go to America. Why? Because I've already been to Paris. Shem, ma, when I beat you, how do you control your anger? I clean the toilet.
What?
How does that satisfy you? I use your toothbrush.
Jesus is Lord.
If you are smiling, send me your smile. If you are sleeping, send me your dreams. If you are crying, send me your tears.
I am in the toilet now. What should I send you?
Shem, ma, why do you off the radio anytime I enter your room? Because I cannot listen to 2 radios at the same time.
Jesus!
Shem, ma, why are you doing your math assignments on the floor? Our teacher said we should calculate without using tables. Shem, ma, who is the president of Iraq? I don't know. You need to focus on your studies more. Mommy? Yes? Who is Cynthia? I don't know who she is. You need to focus more on your husband. Shem? Yes? You need to exercise daily. I do. How? I play football, I play table tennis, I play long tennis. For how long do you do this? Till the battery of my phone dies.
Yeah!